Most problems barbers will have with an Oyster 76, when it start cutting in and out, cutting in and out, cutting in and out, or you start getting that little smoking smell or grinding smell or grinding sound, usually it's just that the brushings are low and going bad. What do you do to fix it? Very simple. First thing you want to do is you take your brushing caps off. Next, you take a small screwdriver and just softly put your thumb here, put this and pluck around until it moves softly. Once that spring, you slide it out. And then you do the other side. Softly pluck. Then you slide it out. Notice these brushings. This is a used pair of brushings. This is a new pair. See all that grind down? When they grind down, you have no more contact. So you take them out and you replace them with the new ones. So now you remove them. When you get the new ones, you drop them in. You don't put them in the hole all the way. You just push them in there and you take the spring and you turn softly with a circle until it slides in. You can't put them in any direction. Then you take your cap, drop it on the spring, push it down, snap it in. The other side, take your new brushing, drop it in, soft. Usually when you drop them in, they don't go in. And then you twist slightly and then it falls into the hole. Then you take your cap, pop them on. Then you take your cover cap, tighten it up, tighten it up, and the clipper comes on nice and strong. That's how you solve your issue with the clipper cutting on and off, burning out, smoke, in and out, shortening. That's usually the problem. You might have a clipper running strong, continuous running, but you notice that it's running hot. You also notice that it has a grinding sound. Usually it's because the bearings have no grease in them. Step number one. Don't show me now. Step number one. You take off your cap. And what you will notice that most barbers don't service their clippers. So you will find that when you take the cap off, it looks like this, bone dry, nothing. What you do is you take a little oil. You drop oil here, drop oil there, drop oil there, drop oil all around. Then you take grease. You squeeze grease all around in this area. And get it all the way down into the bearings. Once you do that, you can turn the clip on slightly. Watch this. Now that motor is working itself in. That oil is working itself into the gears. And now, what you're gonna have, you put the cap back on. Put the screws back in. Tighten them down. And what you're gonna have is a smooth, cool, fast running motor. That will complete the job. What you're gonna have is a cool, smooth, fast running motor. You do that on a regular basis, you will save your clipper.